Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss specific heat capacity concept. So the specific heat capacity in case of heat generation we are going to discuss. You consider these two images. The first case we have taken the value of mass is mass 1. The second body is the mass 2. As per the diagram, the mass 2 is greater than mass 1. So now we are going to consider how much heat is generated through the mass 1 with the help of initial as well as the final temperature. The initial temperature of the system is 20 degrees Celsius and the final will be 30 degrees Celsius. You consider for the mass 2 again the initial temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, the final is 30 degrees Celsius. So what is the understand here? Even the mass is not uniform, the change in temperature is constant, that is delta T is fixed. Whatever it may be, we can consider the heat generation Q is directly proportional to the mass. That is case 1. Just consider this case, that is second diagram. According to this cases, mass 1 and mass 2 both are equal. Mass 2 and mass 2 both are equal. We just analyze the temperature for initial and final. The initial temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and the final is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, for the mass 2 you just think the initial is 20 degree, the final temperature after heat generation that is 90 degrees Celsius. So what is the understand here? The mass is fixed. Even if there is a case, the heat generation Q is directly proportional to change in temperature. Equation number 2. You can combine these two equations. By combining these two equations, what we'll get the heat generation Q is directly proportional to mass into change in temperature. What we used to do, we used to remove the proportionality by introducing the constant. So I'm introducing this constant, which is nothing but the specific heat. So C is the specific heat which we are discussing here. So as per the term given, Q is equal to C into M into delta T. So C is equal to Q divided by M into delta T. We'll apply the units. What is Q? Heat generation. That is one kind of energy. So the unit will be joule, then mass. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram. Change in temperature Kelvin. Or else we can say joule by kilogram degree Celsius. So this is the specific heat capacity on mass basis. The unit is joule by kilogram Kelvin. Okay. If C is specific heat capacity and volume basis, you have to multiply by density. That is rho C. So this is the unit of specific heat mass basis joule by kilogram Kelvin. So if once you multiply by density kilogram and metric, if you cancel kilogram, the unit will be joule by Kelvin meter cube. So we have two types of specific heat. In case of constant pressure, it is denoted as Cp. In case of constant volume, it is denoted as Cv. Thank you.